Welcome to simplysportbikes.com. Here we have a 2002 Yamaha YZF-R1. Starting over here, you can see that we have the carbon fiber aftermarket mirrors, flush mount front turn signals. This right side does have a few scuffs. The tank is very clean with no scuffs or scratches. Seats have no tears or rips in them. Bike currently has a Yoshimura exhaust. Please call to confirm that pipe comes with the bike. Moving around the end of the tail section, see that it's very clean. The left rear side also has aftermarket blinkers with the fender eliminator kit. Bike has newer chain and sprockets. Left side of the tank is clean with no dents. We move down onto the left fairing. See that there's light scratches on the cover and light scratches on the upper fairing. Carbon fiber mirrors, a chrome Sport Tech windshield. More information and pictures are available at simplysportbikes.com.